This is David Vinegar of Keyword SEO Pro, and welcome to this video where we'll be looking at the combined web page and website authority technique. In a previous video, Keyword Difficulty Tool combined web page and website PageRank authority, we looked at 3 questions and provided answers. What is web page authority? What is combined web page and website authority? And how does it help to increase visitors to my website? If you've not looked at that video, perhaps you'll do so at the end of this video. Here we have a typical matrix of results for the combined web page and website authority by PageRank of a series of keywords. This is a typical Google results page. I've used the google.co.uk because we live in the United Kingdom, but those in other countries, such as the United States, might wish to use google.com, those in Canada, google.ca, and Australia would be google.com.au. We're interested in the top results on Google, the top 10 results on Google. We're not interested in AdWords. We're not interested in inclusions that may be on that results page, such as images. Here we have the web page in position 1 for 2010 cars, position 2, position 3, position 4, and so on. Here we have the web page that is in position 1 for 2010 cars. There is, with Internet Explorer and the Google toolbar in place, an icon, the PageRank indicator. And with the page in the browser, if we place the cursor over this icon, it tells us PageRank is Google's view of the importance of this page, and in this case it is 3/10. PageRank equals 3. It is possible to find add-ons for Firefox. Here I have an add-on, a PageRank add-on in Firefox, and with this page again, the PageRank is 3. There are a variety of PageRank add-ons, and it's a matter of finding the one that suits you most. Now, if we go back to the home page of the page that's in position 1 for the keyword, automobilemag.com, we now see that the PageRank for this page is 6/10. This is the matrix that we use for our keyword analysis, keyword difficulty, list of keywords. These are the web page PageRanks 1 to 10 and the associated homepage PageRanks, and then there are 3 columns. One which is the average for PageRank, a second the average for homepage PageRank, and then the combined web page and homepage PageRank averages, and that's the column here. Now, here we have the web page in position 1 for this keyword, and you'll remember that it had a PageRank of 3 for the internal page, the web page itself, and the associated home page had a PageRank of 6, and I filled those 2 numbers in. This is the page in position 2. The web page has a PageRank of 3, and the associated home page has a PageRank of 7. And again, these 2 numbers have been filled in. If we continue to fill in the PageRanks of the top 10 pages and their associated home pages, these are the results. If we add all the PageRanks of the pages on the top page of Google for the keyword, it amounts to 29, and as there are 10 numbers, the average is 29/10, which is 2.9. And if we do the same for the associated homepage PageRanks, it adds up to 58, and the average is 5.8. Add these together, 2.9 and 5.8, and the combined keyword difficulty for this keyword is 2.9 and 5.8, which is 8.7. Now here we've continued with the analysis, and when we reach the web page in position 5 for the keyword used saloon car, this is the web page, perrys.co.uk/saloon. It's an internal page. And when we place the cursor over the PageRank icon, it tells us that the current page is not ranked by Google. So there is no number, and that's represented by a /. This happens because Google updates its index as it reveals it to us about every 3 months, and if this page in position 5 was not in that index at that time, then it doesn't give us a number. We continue with the analysis. The web page in position 7, similarly, there's no number. So if we add up these numbers, it comes to 20. And now there are only 8 web pages where we have numbers. So the average is 20 over 8, which is 2.5. We continue with the analysis. And now when we reach the web page in position 2 for the keyword used red sports car, that page has a page rank of 0, but you can see it's actually a home page. There's no file name after the domain name. Compare that to the one in position 1, which has a file name after the domain. That's an internal page. Now we've marked this as a pink cell, pink background, to show that it's a home page. And of course when we move that to the home page PageRank, that associated home page should also be a 0. There's one other web page that's a home page for this keyword, and that is in position 10 and has a home page PageRank of 2. And again, that would be over here as a 2, and these cells are marked in green to show that these are the associated home pages in the green coloration. Now the average of these numbers, total is 47, divide by 10, giving us 4.7, and the combined keyword difficulty is 4.7 plus 1.1, giving us 5.8 for the combined page ranks. Now, although this is a very simple technique of indicating the page ranks of the top pages on the Google search results page for individual keywords and the associated homepage page ranks, it seems to be quite unique. I've not come across anybody else who's done it. I've looked at thousands of keywords with this little technique, and what has become apparent is that Google is boosting homepage page ranks that are themselves competing for keywords. So this page in position 2, Google is boosting it, and that boost amounts to 4.5. So any homepage that is competing for a keyword that has a page rank of 4 or less, Google is boosting it to 4.5. So here I've included this boost. This one is 4.5, this one is 4.5, and this now, the average, instead of being 47 over 10, it's 54 over 10, giving us 5.4, and the combined page rank averages is 1.1 plus 5.4, giving us 6.5, rather than 5.8 as before. Here we've completed the matrix, putting in the rest of the numbers. Now you'll see here this web page in position 1 for the keyword 2010 Ford cars. That is a home page with a page rank of 8. Because it has a page rank of more than 4, there is no perceivable increase, and so it remains 8 in the homepage column, and I've left it with a white background to show that there is no boost. Now we can now color in these average columns, and from thousands of analyses, I color it this way. For the combined PageRank, less than 6.6 is green, 6.6 to 8.4 is blue, and greater than 8.4 is red. And there are similar ranges and colors for the PageRank and homepage PageRank. I've given the combined PageRank colors slight difference, although they remain green, blue, and a reddish color, but to show that these are the ones that matter the most. And so we've now colored those numbers, and our matrix looks like this. The green tells us that even if it's a new website, we could achieve top page positioning on Google for this keyword with just optimization of the homepage. You could only do it with the homepage. The majority of websites of small businesses and medium-sized businesses have homepage page ranks of 3 or less, and this means that even for keywords in the blue range, additional backlinking would be required to achieve top page positioning. Those in red, you would need homepage page ranks of 4 or more, and very few small and medium-sized websites of the small and medium-sized businesses could achieve such homepage page ranks, and these keywords would remain out of range of such websites until a lot of backlinking has been achieved. This technique is free. Anyone can do it using the technique that I've just explained. Keyword SEO Pro automates the process. It follows the exact rules that I've shown you during this video, but allows you to analyze scores or even hundreds of keywords, up to 200 at a time. And for those that are doing a lot of keyword analyses, this is an invaluable tool. What other topics would you be recommended to learn about in greater detail? I would recommend PageRank, the Google algorithm, the homepage PageRank, keyword difficulty, link building, that's off-page optimization, on-page optimization, and some website case studies. You're very welcome to visit my website, keywordseopro.com, for further information. There are many articles and videos on these subjects, and I will be updating them regularly. This is David Vineker of Keyword SEO Pro. Thank you so much for kindly watching this video.